Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the prestigious second CAR PhD Awards. And today we gather to celebrate excellence, dedication, and innovation. And what makes these awards truly special is that every winner is chosen based on genuine customer ratings and honest reviews. The appreciation is real, the feedback is authentic, and the recognition is truly well-deserved. So let's come together and begin this inspiring celebration of the best, ladies and gentlemen. Let me call forward representatives from AXO and Global Assure. Are they here? Exo Nobel. Yes, he's here. Also, it's time to call forward the man behind the entire scene, Mr. Anuj Goglani. Sir? Let's put our hands together to welcome all three of them. If you love cards, please, I want to hear it louder.
Okay, guilty as charged. We gave very short notice to the dealers and the OEMs for this award because we were waiting for the last few ratings also to come in to let it be as clear, accurate, genuine as possible. So notice come time ka tha, isliye not everybody could make it. So apologies for that. We want to be genuine because it's a genuine award. This perhaps is the only award in the country or perhaps the world which is based on customer rating and ranking. इसमें कोई jury नहीं है, इसमें कोई media नहीं है, इसमें कोई pressure नहीं है, इसमें कोई confusion नहीं है, इसमें कोई setting नहीं है बोले तो. This is purely from the customer. What the customer, he or she thinks about you as a brand and you as a dealership. Okay, it's reality check. कोई कुछ भी बोले, dealer friends, आपको OEM बोले, आप useless हो, बेकार हो, बोल देना मुझे कार PhD award मिला है. Voice of customer. Okay, कोई customer बोले तुम्हारी गाड़ी बेकार है, उसको बोलना मुझे कार PhD award मिला है. So मेरी गाड़ी में दम है. So let this be an enhancer for your self-esteem, if nothing else. All right, so with that, please, over to you, Deepti.
Thank you so much, Mr. Anuj. And here, ladies and gentlemen, as I told you that this is the most genuine customer rating and honest review award. And the appreciation is very real. Nothing is bought here, no money involved. So ladies and gentlemen, let's begin with the showroom's winners first. Pasco Golf Course Extension Road, Gurugram.
Okay, Pasco.
Yes, we have someone from Pasco.
We have Mr. Madan Lal, he's the Vice President at Pasco's. Let's have a round of applause for him.
Congratulations to you, sir. Next is another Pasco Automobiles, Alipur, Gurugram. Come on, Car PhD style, make some more noise, ladies and gentlemen. Next, we have Frame Motors, IDC Sector 16, Gurugram. Please be ready.
मैंने संजय पासी जी को मैसेज भेजा था, कल भेजा था शायद या परसों, मुझे याद भी नहीं. उन्होंने एकदम बोला, एक तो मतलब व्हाट ह्यूमिलिटी, मतलब अनुज जी करके बात कर रहे हैं मुझसे, मेरी औकात ही क्या है, अनुज जी करके, मिस्टर संजय पासी, इतनी इज्जत. दैट टॉक्स अबाउट द कल्चर ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ द डीलरशिप. सो मेनी डीलरशिप्स, such an established person, he's addressing me as Anuj ji. I've never spoken with him, I've never met him. Look at the humility. अब वो मारुति से आया, आगे गया, but it talks very highly. और उन्होंने, he genuinely apologized. Dear Anuj ji, I cannot make it to your esteemed award ceremony because of a family program. वो भी बताया उन्होंने मुझे क्या family program है. He's not supposed to tell me. और फिर उन्होंने बताया कि वो मदन लाल जी को भेज रहे हैं और वो ऐसे, मतलब अमेजिंग. तो मैं एज्यूम कर रहा हूँ कि वही कल्चर फिर एक डीलरशिप में, वर्क प्लेस में जाता है और वो फिर कस्टमर्स तक पहुँचता है और फिर कार PhD में तब्दील हो जाता है. तो सर, सम वर्ड्स फ्रॉम योर साइड.
Thank you so much for this award. Actually, we were not aware at that time this will happen here. And day before yesterday, it's come to our knowledge. And thank you so much for taking the feedback from genuine customers. Thank you.
You have to bag one more award, sir, please. अभी न जाए स्टेज से कि दिल अभी भरा
So,
नहीं.
इनकी एक
We
कैसेट
need to give him one
इनकी एक-
more because he's bagging it for Alipur Gurugram again. Pasco Automobiles, Alipur Gurugram. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together one more time.
वो कह रहे हैं आपके नाम की एक वहाँ म्यूजिक एल्बम लॉन्च करेंगे पैस्कोज में.
बिल्कुल कर दीजिए. So sweet. Okay. Lovely. That calls for a double whammy, ladies and gentlemen. Clap like you really, really mean it.
ये QR कोड आउटलेट स्पेसिफिक है सर. ऐसा ना हो काम कोई अच्छा करे और रेटिंग किसी और की अच्छी हो जाए. तो वो कर्मा साइकिल. So, all the best.